When exploring the world of generative AI, you constantly run into acronyms like T2I, I2I, T2V, I2V, or even their special A variants. But what do all these letters actually mean, and when should you use which? Let's start with the foundations. Image generation. T2I, or text-to-image, is the classic process of creating pictures from plain text. You write a prompt, and the AI generates an image out of thin air. Its counterpart is I2I, or image-to-image, where you feed the AI an existing image as a starting point. With I2I, you can restyle a photo, tweak specific details, or turn a rough sketch into a photorealistic image while preserving the original composition. Video generation follows the exact same logic. T2V, or text-to-video, takes your text ideas and creates a moving scene completely from scratch. On the other hand, I2V, or image-to-video, breathes life into your existing T2I artwork or photos by animating them. The huge advantage of I2V is that you keep rock-solid control over the visual style, composition, and character design, leaving the AI to handle just the motion and camera dynamics. So, what about those mysterious A variants? When you see an A added to the end, it stands for audio. Models like T2VA, text-to-video and audio, and I2VA, image-to-video and audio, don't just generate the visual movement, they also create perfectly synchronized sound effects, ambient noises, or even character dialogue generated right alongside the video. So, when should you use which? For imagery, use T2I for brainstorming new ideas, and I2I for fine-tuning or restyling. For video, go with T2V when experimenting with open-ended concepts, and pick I2V when you want to animate a specific, pre-designed character or scene. And reach for the A models whenever you want a complete, sound-enabled video scene in a single step without hunting for sound effects in post-production. If you enjoyed this explanation, click the link, head over to the Digital Actors AI channel, and subscribe for the latest local AI tips and visual magic.